Hey designers, in this video, we'll show you how to apply a magnifying effect to pictures, videos, or anything you like. Head over to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Magnify. You'll find it under the Distort category. Drag and drop it onto your image or video. Now, you can change the center position, X and Y coordinates, to focus the magnifying effect on any part of your image or video. You can also adjust the size of the magnification area and the magnification strength. Tweak these settings until you're happy with the effect. If you'd like to animate the effect, here's what you do: click the stopwatch icon next to center to create a keyframe. Move the playhead a few frames forward and reposition the magnification to a different area, perhaps someone else's face. Adjust the X and Y values for this new position. Keep moving forward in the timeline, changing the magnifying effect's position as you go. Once you've set all your positions, select all your keyframes, right-click, and choose Toggle Hold Keyframe. Now when you play it back, you'll see the magnifying effect jump smoothly between the points you set. If you want to soften the edges of the effect, you can increase the feather setting. This gives the magnifying effect a smoother, more blended look instead of a sharp circle. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials.